All right, guys. Very good morning, very good evening. Welcome to Vismo Technologies. Malik here. Here with a quick demonstration on one of our 19th new feature. While doing the database upgradation for one of my lab exercise, we hit this particular issue. I'm going to demonstrate in details what's the issue, what's the root cause, and how we are able to fix that particular issue. Right. So the people who don't know about 19C auto upgrade, it's a new feature in 19C Oracle has came up with. With this 19C auto upgrade, you can do your database upgradation and much more other activities. You can unplug and plug PDBs, and you can pause and you can schedule and lot of new feature with this 19C auto upgrade. Basically, the name itself suggests auto upgrade. So your database upgradation is made very simple here, which is a command line upgrade, which has fully automated feature. Whoever not tried this 19C auto upgrade feature, let's give it a try and then try in your lab exercise and then take a look how it's gonna and what are the new features it's gonna support. Right. So when I was doing this 19C auto upgrade, basically we're upgrading our 12C RAC database to 19C RAC database, RAC to RAC upgrade. Uh, The issue is like when we were doing 19C upgrade pre-check using this auto upgrade, we got a error message target home not registered in the inventory. So the error message in the auto upgrade pre-check in the analyze mode says like check failed for UAT1 manual intervention needed for the target home registered in the inventory or not. The root cause was this 19C Oracle home is not registered with your central inventory, which was one of the root cause why the upgrade was failing. And the fix is to attach or add this 19C Oracle Home entries into your central inventory to proceed with your upgrade process. The detailed error message and analysis goes like this. I connected to my UAT1 database, which is a 12C database. And then we have created this sample config file using this Java jar, this auto upgrade jar file. You have to download this one from the oraclesupport.com and create a sample config file, and your sample config file got created. You can rename that sample config file with according to a target database whatever you're planning to upgrade, and then go inside that config file and then modify all your target database details, your source oracle home, target oracle home, when you want to upgrade, today or after 10 hours or tomorrow, and schedule that upgrade, and from which node you want to upgrade, from the which rack node you want to upgrade. You can specify all those details, and whether you want to upgrade your time zone, whether you want to compile invalid object after upgrade, or most of the config parameter you can set it over in this config file. After you do this config, a file created successfully and modified successfully, you can go ahead and then run this one. Same Java jar, data upgrade jar file and config file. Analyze the mode equal to analyze. This is your pre-check in 19C auto upgrade. Analyze meaning you're going to do a pre-check. A deploy meaning you're going to do actual upgrade. But right now we're doing an analyze mode. That's a pre-check mode. And then it's going to go into this upgrade window and do LSJ list jobs. 101 UAT1 pre-check is running, and then job completed one, failures are 0. After I validated that log whether the job is finished, whether it succeeded or failed, we don't know. So after checking this particular log file, it says the pre-check failure. It says the fail the check failed for UAT1, manual intervention needed, and the target home registered for the inventory which is failing. And cause may be like the following error, you have severity and no fix up is available. Manually you have to fix that one. All right, that's fine. So you can go into this particular log file directory, user1 app 19 set upgrade UAT UAT1 101 job pre-check, which is going to give you more detail about that. So after I logged into that UAT pre-upgrade.log from this particular log file, they're going to give me more details. After I going here, execute following command Oracle Home VUI bin attach home to attach the target Oracle Home on the listed node. It says on one of the node Oracle Lab 2, the target home is not registered. Right, so it says target home 2, and same thing applicable for your target home 1 as well. So I verified on both Oracle Lab 1 and as well as Oracle Lab 2. Both are, after I go into this user one app where I inventory contact.xml. And in that invented XML, it says a 19C Oracle home is available. But if I go to the target home Oracle Lab 2, and if I check the same U01 Ora inventory contact.xml, the 19C DB home was not available. So the moment 19C home DB, 19C DB home was not available, that clearly indicates my target home is not registered. So we need to go and then run this attach home. It says here, run this attach home from that pre-check log from that particular second node. So basically here, if you try to run this one, it's going to say that attach home, but it's not attach home. It should be attach home.sh. If it comes to 19C, it should be attach home.sh. So I just give an example here how you can run it on the Oracle Lab 1. Same thing will be applicable for your Oracle Lab 2 as well. So now here, after checking on the Lab 1, in the Lab 1, the invented XML says your 19C Oracle home is available, but your 12C Oracle home is missing. Because we are upgrading it from 12C to 19C, you need to have both the 12C Oracle home should be registered in inventory and also 19C Oracle home should be registered on inventory. But right now here on Lab 1, 19C home registered, but 12C home was not registered. In Lab 2, 12C home was registered and 19C home was not registered. So anyway, we had to run this attach home, both the lab 1 and lab 2, one from 12C Oracle home and one from 19C Oracle home. So in this lab 1 where 12C Oracle home is missing, so what I did, I set the environment to my dev 1 or UAT 1, whatever the home you want, you can set the environment. You can get your Oracle home. This is a 12C Oracle home. What I did, I went into that 12C Oracle home bin OUI, and if you see here, attach home.sh. From the 12C Oracle home, I'm running this attach home.sh because in the node 1, in the inventory.xml, I am seeing that 19C grid and 19C DB home. Only the 12C home was missing here on lab 1. On lab 2, 19C home was missing. So for just a demonstration purpose here, I'm just going to node 1, that's Oracle lab 1. I'm running from that 12C Oracle home, OUI bin, attach home.sh. The moment I run this attach home.sh, attach home was successful. The moment attach home was successful, after I check this cat invented XML, what it says, successfully it is listed out my 12C Oracle home. 19C grid home, 19C DB home, and 12C Oracle home was attached here properly. Same thing you can carry out in your lab 2 as well. Verify invented XML. You make sure that your 12C Oracle home and 19C Oracle home both are attached. If any one of that missing, go ahead and then run the attach home.sh from the respective that Oracle home. So we're going to update that inventory. Once the inventory is updated on both the lab 1 and lab 2, you can go ahead and then rerun that autoupgrade.sh. If you see here, autoupgrade.sh, and then your 19C dbom java jar autoupgrade jar file config analyze mode, and it says job 102 completed successfully. After I check that status.log file, the pre-check for UA database successfully completed. So that's a quick demonstration what we had a recent failure, the recent pre-check failure in our one of the lab exercise. I wanted to show it on this particular demo here so that you know whenever you are having this 19th new feature and whenever you are going through this new feature 19th set upgrade, make sure that create the config file first. Once the config file created, modify that config file according to a target environment, run the pre-check in the analyze mode, and the analyze mode, the pre-check is successfully completed, then you are good to proceed with the actual deploy mode. You just need to replace this analyze mode and run the deploy mode. In case of this analyze mode is reported any errors or failures, and one of the ways to go ahead and then first check that status.log file. From the status.log file, it's going to give you where are the pre-check logs, go into that pre-check logs, and then validate what exactly the root cause and then fix it, proceed further. All right, that's a quick demo for today. We're gonna continue further in the few more insight about this new features and internal to the rack and internal to the database. See you in our next session. Thank you guys.